Bismillah Rahman Rahim. My name is Sarosh and I'm a foundation level student at the Han School at campus Islamabad. And today I am sharing a short documentary topic Symphony of the Cell Understanding Circular Process. Today we are going to explore an amazing topic. Have you ever wondered what is happening inside your body every second while we are taking bath, talking, walking, breathing, or even sleeping? Billions of tiny cells are working together to keep us alive. Think of your body as a huge orchestra. In an orchestra, every musician plays a different instrument, but together they create beautiful music. In the same way, every cell in your body has a special job, and together they create the symphony of life. Let's discover how these tiny cells work. The human body is made up of trillions of cells. Cells are the smallest living units of our body, although they are tiny and cannot be seen without a microscope. They perform very important tasks every single day. Different cells have different jobs. Some cells carry oxygen through the blood. Some help us think and remember. Some fight diseases. Others build muscles, repair skin, and keep our organs working properly. Even though every cell has a different role, they all work together like a well organized team. Inside every cell is a small control center called the nucleus. The nucleus contains DNA, which is like an instruction book for the cell. DNA tells the cell what to do, when to grow, when to divide, and how to make proteins that the body needs. You can think of DNA as the blueprint for life. Every cell follows these instructions carefully to perform its job. Cells also need energy to work. Inside many cells are tiny structures called mitochondria. They are often known as the powerhouses of the cell because they turn the food we eat into energy. This energy allow us to walk, run, study, play sport, breathe, and even blink our eyes. Without mitochondria, our cell would not have the energy they need to survive. Cells are also excellent communicators. They consistently send and receive messages from one another. These messages help cells know when to grow, when to repair damaged tissues, and when to protect the body from infections. For example, if you get a small cut on your finger, nearby cells immediately begin working together. Some cells stop the bleeding while others repair the damaged skin. Within days, the wound begin to heal. This amazing teamwork happens without us even noticing it. So, before I conclude, in conclusion, every tiny cell plays an important role in the story of life. Just like musician is a symphony, each cell performs its own role with perfect timing and coordination. The time you take a deep breath or smile, remember that trillions of hardworking cells are making it possible. Thank you so much for watching this documentary. If you like it, hope so you like it. We'll see you next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.